Hello everyone! Are you looking for a quick and easy way to transfer your Elementor designs between websites or save them for future use? Today, we'll show you how to export Elementor designs using JSON files. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time. Whether you want to back up your designs, share them with others, or move them to a different site, this method is handy. Alright, let's get started with exporting. First, navigate to All Pages from the left-hand side menu. Open the page you wish to export in the Elementor editor by clicking Edit with Elementor. Click on the drop-down in the upper right corner, select Save as Template, and give the template a name. You can then find the saved page in the template library using this name. You will see the template you named, along with any previously saved templates. If you want to export a template, click on the three dots to the right of it. You will see two options, Delete and Export. Click on Export and a JSON file will be downloaded to your local computer. You can find the file in your Downloads folder. This method is great for backing up your designs, sharing them with clients, or migrating them to new websites. Remember to always keep backups of your JSON files. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Elementor tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.